So I'm working on different camera settings on my camera, so if the video looks weird, that's why. It's another colorful look, my dudes, and if you want to see how I got it, then just keep on watching. It's that way. You ready? Let's go. So this is the finished look. I don't know like what happened, but I really like it. If you like this video, if you found anything helpful, or if you just simply enjoyed watching, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, or if you simply just want to have a conversation in the comment section below. Please subscribe, guys. It's so much easier than having to type in my name. If you subscribe, I'm already in your subscription box, and it just makes everything 10 times easier. And to just take it one step further, definitely hit the notification bell so you're going to be notified every time I upload, so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. If you share this post on any of the social media platforms and then tag me so that I see it, I shout you out in a future video. And with all that said, guys, thank you for putting up with my camera and me and everything, and I will see you guys in the next video. Okay, bye.